All right, let's get into our second five stocks on the call. And Carl, Julie wants a view on Qantas, the big Australia, or the Australian airline, the Flying Kangaroo. I noticed Perpetual have been getting into Qantas as an opening up investment. What do you think?
Okay, no, I haven't seen that. I just noticed, because when you do the call, you go into the call bubble, as well I do anyway, right, where I'm frantically researching these stocks. I haven't seen a lot of what's happened today, but I just had a look at my prices and I noticed it's popped up today. So I don't know if that was the announcement, but yeah, it's always good to see these bigger fund managers get involved. It's interesting that move up today. I couldn't see any other news, just as you're talking about the core portfolio there. I was trying to find some news on it. So if there isn't any news, that's even more interesting. I think Qantas looks very interesting, more on the technical basis than the fundamentals. I think you kind of have to put the fundamentals aside, because I don't think there's a lot of point reviewing FY20 results in the year that was. It's kind of irrelevant now, isn't it? You have to look forward, and things are going to improve. I think the key for Qantas is that they are in the process of transforming their business again. I mean, how many times have they done it? But they're going to have to be leaner and meaner and more flexible with this emergence from COVID, these potential for spot lockdowns as they occur. But I do think, if you believe things are going to get back to normal, then it was a great business going into the crisis. It's going to have $1 billion less costs in it. It should be a great business and more efficient coming out of it. So look, I'm a buyer of Qantas here. I think now's the time. This is my first buy on Qantas since the start of the crisis, to be honest. And I don't take these steps lightly. So I think it's done enough on the chart there to say that the worst is behind us, and I think we should head up from here. So there's no point in me talking valuation metrics. I actually used 12 separate valuation metrics and then combined them into an average ranking for each stock. 8 of those 12 things are at 0 right now for Qantas because there's no profits, right? So so you have to look forward, and I'm deferring to the charts here and calling it a buy.
Okay, Gary.